Randall Reed's Prestige Ford, your local Ford dealership, knows that. Consumers looking for a car dealer aren't just interested in sales events. It's about trust. Randall Reed's Prestige Ford is an award-winning dealership providing top-notch service, selection, and savings. You can trust that we'll take care of all of your Ford automotive needs. Learn more about Randall Reed's Prestige Ford at www.prestigegarland.com. While you're there, find out about our internet specials. Schedule a service appointment. Fill out our quick and easy 30-second credit application. And see what makes Randall Reed's Prestige Ford the right dealership for you. Randall Reed's Prestige Ford is located at 3601 South Shiloh Road in Garland, Texas.